Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa received a special request from my colleague from Singapore, saying that she's coming out today and then she's asking if she can tapao some of my Cooking Appa chicken, curry chicken back home. Yeah, so I'm making for her today, right now. So I have half of free-range chicken here. I marinated with a bit of fish sauce. You can marinate with salt also, no problem. Then I'm going to put in some yummy potato, some tomato. Then this is how we make the curry paste. So we have some minced garlic, minced shallot, minced fresh coriander roots, minced ginger. These are some curry leaf. This is cinnamon stick. This is we have a bit of star anise and bay leaf. And I have 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Baba's curry powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Then of course you will need some coconut milk, and I'll be putting in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Of course you will need some filtered water. I use hot water here. First thing, we're going to make the curry paste. Give it a good amount of oil here. Right, and let's heat it up. Once you have heated up the oil, we can put in the fresh herbs. So these are the fresh herbs we cut just now. Saute for a little while before we add in the rest. This is after 1 minute. We put in the cinnamon stick, bay leaf, star anise. Give it a few stir. Oh, super fragrant already. Now we can lower the heat to the lowest temperature because we are going to add in the mixed curry powder. Curry powder can get burned very, very easily. Yeah? So always reduce the fire before you add in the curry powder. Then when you start mixing everything up, you can slowly raise the heat. I'm raising it to medium low right now. And like I said, it can get burned very, very easily, so be very careful. Keep on stirring it and don't use too high heat. So you want to cook your curry paste for about 3 to 5 minutes before we continue. Most importantly, you want the chili oil to really release. Yeah. This is after about 3-4 minutes. Next thing, we can actually put in the marinated chicken and the potato. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Some people will add lemongrass. Yes, by all means, please do so. I think I don't have lemongrass in my fridge today. Next thing, I'm going to add a good amount of filtered hot water here. Make sure everything is just submerged nicely under the broth. I don't mind to give you a little bit more water here. Now we are going to give it some seasoning so that the chicken can absorb the saltiness, yeah, the savory flavor. First of all, some fine salt. Yeah, about 1 teaspoon to start with. You can adjust to taste towards the end, yeah. A bit of fine sugar to balance the flavor of the salt just now. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those who have it, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. That's all for the seasoning that you need to put in, because we already have different kinds of powder just now, yeah? So let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, Before we close the lid, I forgot we still have the tomato, yeah? Put in the tomato. Then I'll close the lid and tune down to medium-low fire and let it cook for approximately 20 minutes. This is after about 20 minutes. Oh, look at the beautiful chili oil. You can see the curry broth has actually evaporated, yeah, become lesser. Don't worry about it. We haven't added in the santan yet, yeah, the coconut milk. So now I'm going to add in the coconut milk, diluted coconut milk. I prefer the diluted version because I love to drink my curry chicken, yeah. That's why I always prefer the diluted version. Right, the kind of color we are looking for. Let me see if the potato is fully cooked. Yep. I'll give it another few more minutes for the potato. But meanwhile, we can actually do the final seasoning using salt and also sugar to adjust to taste. So I hope you like my very simple curry chicken recipe today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, Appa found a stalk of lemongrass just now. So I actually added one stalk of lemongrass. I bruised it and I put it in.